Hey, it's Kat here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sew 2 granny squares together. You'll need a tapestry needle and the yarn that you've used for your project. What you want to do is line the edges up. You have a line of V's here and a line of V's here, and you don't want to be able to see those V's, so it's those bits that you want to sew up. So you're going to take your tail, thread it through the tapestry needle, and then make sure it's coming out of the V of the middle stitch. Alright, and that's where you're going to start, and then you're going to line these up, and exactly where they meet you're going to then put it through the middle of the top of the stitch on the other side. Okay, so you can see where these are butting up against each other because they're all in line. So you want to do the same thing with the next stitch and the next, and all the way down this row. You want to just go through the front loop of those stitches, and you'll get a nice line of neat stitches. And the good thing about this is you're not attaching anything else. You're using the tail from what you had before, so that's not going anywhere because it's attached to the rest of this square. And there we are, that's nearly coming to the end. Now we're right down to the bottom where the next corner stitch is. So you can just go through, just making sure they're all lined up. You can go over it, you can turn it over. And if you want to go back on yourself, you can, just for belt and braces. But apart from that, you are done. Still a little long piece remaining. You can leave it or you can just cut it off there, weave in the end and cut there. But that's how you stitch your 2 granny squares together. So now what I've done is I've flipped these around, and I'm going to use these tails as well to sew the granny squares onto the top as well. So that's how I usually sew my granny squares together. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I bring out new videos all the time. And if you like tops like this, then I'll be making a really similar one in this video. I'll see you there.